Well, hey guys, in today's review, we're going to go over this self-propelled EGO 21-inch lawnmower, so let's dive in. So first I want to just take a look at it right here. You can see all the different parts and features. It is a really cool design and has worked really well. And again, I think it's a great option for any type of lawnmower, especially for a battery operated one. The base right here, the little bottom part, actually is plastic. That was kind of something I was a little nervous about, but it has lasted a long time. And what I've read for other reviews, that again, it's really hard. Plastic has done a really good job for a long time. Definitely has done a good job here as well. On the back side, and the top up here, I really like, you can see all the different settings, but it also has a little place where you can put your phone or any kind of thing like that. But then you can see up here multiple different settings, and I'll show you a little bit closer up of that in just a moment. Another cool thing I do like here on the side, there's a little adjustment piece, but it has multiple different adjustments, so depending on your level as well as your height. So you can kind of put it on this little level down, whether you want to go all the way back, or if you need to go a little bit higher, you can do that as well. So whichever one you want. It also has a height adjustment right here, so you can adjust it different ways. If you want it to go down, you can go all the way to really low, or if you want to go a little bit higher as well and you don't want to cut it as low, or maybe your grass is really tall, you can go up really high as well. So a lot of adjustments on that. It also shows you plainly how to start this. You're just going to press the button there and then pull the lever back. I also really like the battery right here. You can see how much battery is left when you just press it, and it has this compartment here. It's protected and really, again, protected in there, so you're going to be able to hit the button and then see it. But all you're going to have to do is make sure this is all the way back for your start, and then press the button and pull the go. And you can see right here it's super strong. I would say it's one of the strongest lawnmowers that I've used. It has a lot of torque in it, and it will pull, which is nice. And so once you're doing these, it's not going to, again, make you kind of drag it or any kind of thing like that. I've had multiple ones where I've tried some of the gas-powered, and this one has done a really good job just pulling you along, and really is easy for anyone to do. A couple other things I do like about this while it's running here, it is pretty quiet. So if you have like a noise ordinance or those kind of things in your area, this is something you could probably run while that's happening. So that's really nice. So there's kind of, again, no real time frame on this. And as you can see right there when I made the turn, it's pretty strong and will actually help pull any kind of thing wherever you're going. Also, it has about 100-minute run time. So that's nice. So you have plenty of time to cut your lawn. And I did want to show you guys this, that has a couple features right there on the top where you can actually grab this. You can also see up here, it has lights. You can turn them off and on the front. It also has the speed right here up front, up top, so you can actually adjust that. So you can use this at night if you'd like to as well. And I like the little speed knob that is actually really quick. So you're able to adjust that off and on pretty easily. Another cool feature I like about this, it's easily accessible battery right here. So you can easily just take this part out. Once you're done, just want to take that out, close the compartment back, and then, like most of us, we don't have a ton of space, so we probably have to try to get everything in there somewhere. What you'll do is just actually grab the handles right here, have these latches. You'll need to slide this down, and you'll lock it in. Once it's in, you can lock it back, and it's really easy to fold these back over. And now look how small this actually is. It folds back on top of itself, and now you can easily pick this up or even roll it somewhere, whether it needs to be inside or whatever that might be. I did want to show you the blades right here. It comes with a few different blades, but you can see these. You can mix them up, whatever you might need. If you want a mulching blade, you can mix that in there, or if you just want a bagging blade, you can do that as well right there. And this is, again, what it looks like once it's already all compact and folded up. I think this is great because this can pretty much go anywhere. If you have a small garage or even just a little shed out back, you can easily stand this up somewhere, and it's not going to take up a lot of space, and it's easily compacted in there. You can see this right here standing up in the garage. And then, like I said, it has a nice battery. I've also read online that if something ever happens to your battery, EGO does a great job replacing it. I haven't had that problem just yet. But overall, I think it's been a great lawnmower for us. It has lasted multiple seasons now, and so I definitely think that's something that you should know, because a lot of times some of these will only last like a season or maybe two, but this one's lasted multiple, and it has gone through the ringer. And so it does a really good job at that. And as you can see right here, I have it up pretty high, but it can go down pretty low as well, and you're able to get a really nice and clean cut off of this. And if you don't love the cut, you can always change the blades out as well. I've seen that happen. So I've shared with you guys a lot of the pros. A couple of the cons that I have seen are, if the battery is dead, it does take a little while to charge it. Now, it is a pretty quick charger, but the problems are it is just a battery, and so it's not like gas. You can just pour it right back in there and get back going. It will have to take a while to charge. I've also seen people have a problem with like the discharge side. There's a little piece that comes with it, and the discharge piece does get sometimes stuck in there. So if you're bagging, or if you're just doing what I'm doing right here, it's not a big deal. I do like the speeds overall, but I do wish it could go a little bit faster. I like trying to cut pretty fast while I'm cutting. Again, just getting that first initial cut out there, and then once you're getting closer, you might want to slow down, but I do like going pretty fast, and so sometimes this does feel a little slow. A couple of other things I do like, though, is I like that you're not having to use maintenance on it all the time, such as putting new oil in or just doing things like that, and all the cranking stuff. This just cranks up really easily and just goes as soon as you put the battery in and go with it. I did want to show you the little indicator up here up top. You can see this. I really like that it has different lights, so you know exactly what's going on, whether the battery's dead, whether there's some type of problem or error with the system, or if the the controls just aren't pulled back the correct length, so you might have to do that. And if the battery's ready to roll, it has the power on, ready to go. But from my experience, I definitely think this is a great option for anyone. It has so many different cool features about it and has worked really well for us. I think it's a great one. The price point is a little high, but I definitely think it's going to last a long time. I've seen a lot of people saying that it will last a while, so I think that's a good point and a great thing to remember. It cuts well. It has done a good job. I really like it. Again, you can get done, fold it right back up, and then once you need it again, just fold it right back out. Make sure your battery's charged, and then you're ready to go. So I think it's a great option for anyone, especially with a smaller yard. It works great, and it's definitely done a good job. EGO is probably the best brand, I believe, in the battery-operated lawnmower, so I think it's one I would highly recommend you check out. I will have a link for this and a few other items down below, so you can check those out down there. But thanks so much for watching. You can check out another lawnmower video right here, and I will see you in the next one.